Hey everyone, I was going to film this outside, but it's raining. They said it wasn't going to rain until tonight, and it was raining, I don't know, by, I think 10 in the morning. It might have been earlier. I just looked outside about 10 and saw there was rain. Cold day, so hot coffee. This is that weird cup, so they made it backwards. And there's also typos on here. They misspell things, and let's see, the Rottweiler is both of them. Yeah, I don't know where they made these, but anyway, this is before AI. But they had some misspelled stuff and things that made no sense. But anyway, this video, don't forget to subscribe. Woo-hoo-hoo. Shout out to subscribing. Like, share, but also in the comment section, if you would like me to shout out your thing, a lot of the channels will charge people for exactly what I'm going to do for free. Now, I'm not going to do it for everyone because I'm doing it for free. If I had a business called Shoutout Business, then maybe I would do that on FIVERR, the group FIVERR. Is it FIVERR, I think, or is it FIVVER? FIVERR. They design things, and they have managers for channels, and if you write a book, they can do the illustrations for that. They can do things like shouting out your channel. They can post about your channel. They can do this for your channel or for your Instagram, your X, or any of that you want to build. They work with that for you. But a lot of the smaller channels said they're having difficulties getting a real foothold in the business and the industry of YouTube. I don't know about, like, I really can't do this first one for Instagram, although I'm on Instagram or X or Facebook. I really don't know how to do that. I do know how to do it on YouTube. I have over 1 million views, and that was accomplished, I think, at 27 months. So that's pretty fast. I became monetized, I think, in my second month. You have to have over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and I believe I got that in my second month. My channel was started in September 2 years ago, so 2023. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to offer this free help to you if you'd like me to help you. Now, I'm not doing this full time, so I'm going to click. But what I'm going to do is, if you put comments down here, I'll try to take them in order of the comment. So if you comment today, let's say today, or this will be out tomorrow. Let's say tomorrow, the 13th, the day before Valentine's Day. Did you get some flowers for your sweetie? How about some chocolates? Did you get some chocolates? Some chocolate? Did you get some flowers? Did you get some jewelry? Maybe an engagement ring? Who knows? A promise ring? I don't know. But did you do that? Don't forget, a card? Something? Will there be Valentine's Days of PEEPS? It seems like there's PEEPS for everything, right? Used to just be the PEEPS for Easter. Now we have PEEPS that are Dracula, PEEPS that are Santa Claus, PEEPS. We love PEEPS. Do I eat PEEPS? No. Would I like to eat PEEPS? Probably. I know that some PEEPS do have a chemical that's been recently banned. Not necessarily a chemical, but a dye. I think it was a dye, or maybe some kind of additive that is no longer allowed in the United States. Probably, if we're getting around to getting rid of it in the United States, it's been outlawed in Europe for 30 years. It always seems like that, like the plastic bottles that have the BP, whatever it is in there that makes you real sick. I don't know, cancer-causing stuff. I'm not really sure. But Teflon on our pans. But what I'm gonna do is, if you, only you, if you would like me to shout out your channel, this is what usually a shout out involves. So it'll be someone who will take your channel information for you. They'll make a small video or include it on another video. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna include it on a video, which have more than one, and then they put it on all their social media platforms. So your channel, the shout out that I give to you will be made into a video. This video, and this video, what will be this video? Let's see. No, I'm gonna get the information from this video, and I'll shoot a new video. So once I got 10 people on here, let's say 10. Maybe I won't get 10. Maybe I'll only get 5, and I'll just do a 5. Maybe I'll do a 5. I don't know, 5 or 10. It always seems like, even though the 5 is an odd number and the 10 is an even number, they always say, let's go with an even number of 5. That's an odd number. But anyway, that's how we speak in the United States. Do you speak like that? Where are you from? Where do you live? I don't know where you live. I'm here in California. Where are you? Put that in the comment section too. Hey, David, I'm in Sweden. I'm in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I am in wherever you. Where are you? Are you in Georgia? Are you a peach? I don't know. Where are you from? But what I'll do is, this is what they do for a shout out. You pay someone, and what they'll do is they'll take your channel, and they'll probably have a few different Facebook accounts of their own, and they'll have different. Maybe they have a Facebook account with 5,000 followers, or they call them Facebook friends. 5,000 friends, 20,000 friends, and 9,000 friends. So I got 3 of those, and they'll say. And then I got on Instagram. I have 2 Instagrams. One has 11,000, and one has 6. And they add all that up, and they come up with a number. I'm gonna put your information in front of this many people. Well, it's not necessarily in front of that many people, because what if those many people aren't watching? There's a potential that their social media people are going to say, what exactly is David talking about? There's a chance for that. There's also a chance they'll say, I don't care about this. Who cares about this shout out thing? I don't care. I just don't care. That's also a possibility. So no guarantees. We have on this channel over 1 million views. Does that mean 1 million people are going to watch you? No. Does 1 million views mean 1 million people? No, because one person might have watched 30. Since the channel is 30 months old now, let's say they watch 2 a month. That's 60 views of that 1 million for that one person. So that one person could be 60. That one person could be 1. That one person could watch 200. I'm sure that someone on my channel has watched 200 videos. I know I have. So they charge for that, and I can't remember what they charge. They write me sometimes about that. They show me what they can do, how big their social media footprint, how their presence, or whatever other thing different. So what they can do is they can say, hey, my name is Dave. Like, for example, my name is David Gardner. You might know me from my channel, David Lost 108 Pounds. I would like to do a shout out to some of the channels that have asked me to do a shout out. I've subscribed to their channels. I went to their channels. I may not watch all your videos. I mean, if you have 300 videos, I'm not going to watch all your videos. My name is David Gardner. I went over to their channel. I took a look. It looks like it's all appropriate type stuff. I might not exactly agree with you. You may not exactly agree with me. You may say that Trump is Hitler, and I'm going to have to say, no. You may say, a lot of you on my channel told me Kamala Harris is going to win the election. No. They said that Trump was going to be in prison. He couldn't be the president. He's going to be in prison. No. That's why I said to him, no. I knew that none of that was going to happen, and I said no. So we may not agree on everything. It's likely we do not. But what I would say is I went to their channel. It was appropriate. They might be putting some kind of music I don't like. I don't say I don't like rap, because I'm a white guy. People think I don't like rap. But maybe I don't like, maybe Ice Ice Baby. Maybe I like that guy. Maybe I like Eminem singing Stan. Maybe I like Snoop Dogg. Maybe I like this. Who knows what I like or don't like. But you may have a channel you would like to promote your singing as a rapper. Not a candy rapper, but a rapper. And I may not like any of it. This is terrible. But as long as it's appropriate, you're not saying bad things about people using, let's say, the N word. That seems to be very popular. Talking about violence against whomever, or is it whoever? Then I will say I found their thumbnails and they look like it's appropriate stuff. I'm not going to say that to them, but I'm going to think that. So I'm going to subscribe to your channel. No charge. I am going to then, because some would do buy subscribers, or they'll buy bots, or they'll buy fake subscribers, but they don't buy someone like me who has a large channel that subscribes. That'd be worth a lot of money to those companies, because what they do is they just have a bot farm and people just push a button and they never ever go to your channel at all, and they charge you, and I'm not going to charge you, and my channel is a lot bigger, and I'm a lot bigger of a social media type of a presence. Not saying I'm a star or an influencer, but if I have almost 15,000 subscribers on my channel with over 1 million views, YouTube algorithm looks at that more than they look at some lady in Bangladesh who's pushing a button on one of 80 phones she hits per half hour. Yeah, so I'm going to subscribe. I'm going to say these are some channels that I've subscribed to. I would like to know if I would like to welcome you to please go over there and take a look. Maybe you'd like to subscribe to their channel. Maybe you'd like to like a video. Maybe you'd like to share some of their videos. Maybe you'd like to make a comment on some of their videos. Maybe say, hey, David Gardner told me to come over here and take a look, and I really did enjoy your video about the little black kitty who was drinking some milk and got a milk all over his face. I love that. Whatever, I don't know. But this is a shout out. I'm right now doing a shout out to you. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you would like me, to do that, you better hurry, because I'm only going to take 5 to 10. Maybe I might only get 2. Who knows? Maybe I'll get none. Maybe there'll be not a single person that wants me to subscribe to their channel and shout out their channel. So if you want me to, I won't be doing it overnight. Of course, I have to accumulate that. Now remember, if your channel, I will be speaking your channel's name. I may not take time to type them all in. What I'll do is once I've done it, or I tell you that you're one of the top 10, I'll write you back and say, hey, okay, I said, or I probably won't respond to you until I do the videos. I'll probably wait till then, because that way I don't get mixed up. So if I subscribe, then I have to count, okay, what day was this? What day was this? What day was this? So if I just take the first 5, the first 10, I'll subscribe to it. Then the next group comes in, I'll subscribe, and I'll try to keep track of that by the date. And when I tell them in the comment when I subscribe, I'll say I subscribe to your channel, or I shout you out. I shout you out. Is that what it's called? I shouted you out, whatever it is. But anyway, so if you'd like me to do that, I'll subscribe to your channel, and I'll tell others, please take a look and perhaps subscribe, and that's free for you. Remember, you got to put it down in the comment section. I won't know if you don't tell me. Take care.